What if I told you Mercedes-Benz just built an electric SUV that doesn't look like a science experiment and actually makes you want to switch from gas? Because that's exactly what the 2027 Mercedes-Benz GLC EV is. No weird spaceship body, no bizarre headlights, no compromises on luxury. This is the electric SUV that Mercedes has been building up to for years, and trust me, they did not hold back. We're talking up to 483 horsepower, a range pushing 380 miles, DC fast charging at 330 kilowatts, and a cabin wrapped in a 39.1-inch hyperscreen that makes every other car dashboard feel ancient. And here's the kicker: Mercedes made this thing available with a fully certified vegan interior. A world first. Yeah, you heard that right. So whether you're in the market for a luxury EV, cross-shopping against Tesla, or just curious what Stuttgart cooked up, you're in the right place. Stick with me because the new features on this car are going to surprise you. Let's get into it. Let's talk about what you see first, and honestly, this is where opinions are going to split. Mercedes made a bold decision with the 2027 GLC EV. Instead of copying the formula from their EQ lineup, they went with a more traditional, muscular SUV shape. Clean lines, strong proportions, a silhouette that screams premium without trying too hard. The front end features their new sensual design language, a wide, imposing grille that dominates the face of the car. Love it or hate it, it's impossible to ignore on the road. And on the exclusive trim, that grille actually lights up full illuminated grille, making it look absolutely stunning at night. The side profile is athletic, pronounced wheel arches, flush door handles, and available 20 or 21-inch wheels that fill out the fenders perfectly. The rear is clean and modern, with slim LED taillights that stretch edge to edge. One thing that stands out: this doesn't look like an EV trying to prove it's an EV. There are no weird aero covers, no plasticky panels. It looks exactly like a Mercedes SUV should: confident, refined, and expensive. Available in a full palette of colors, including the striking obsidian black metallic and the gorgeous high-tech silver, this car is a head-turner whether you park it in Manhattan or Monaco. Okay, step inside. And this is where the 2027 GLC EV absolutely dominates its competition. The moment you sit in the driver's seat, your eyes go straight to the MBUX Hyperscreen, a 39.1-inch continuous glass display that stretches from the driver's side all the way to the front passenger. This is the largest uninterrupted screen Mercedes has ever put in a production vehicle. It houses a 12.3-inch driver display, a central 14.6-inch infotainment screen, and a 14-inch passenger screen, all in one seamless panel. But it's not just a big screen. Under the hood of this tech is the new MBUX supercomputer, capable of 254 trillion operations per second. This system uses AI to learn your preferences, anticipate your needs, and make real-time safety decisions. Your car literally gets smarter every time you drive it. Ambient lighting comes standard 64 colors, wrapping around the cabin in a soft glow that adjusts based on drive mode. The seats are sculpted, supportive, and available in sustainable materials. And here's the unexpected new feature I mentioned in the title: Mercedes is the first automaker in the world to offer a fully vegan package, independently certified by the Vegan Society. No leather anywhere, all materials are cruelty-free, sustainable, and still feel premium. Cargo space? Up to 61.4 cubic feet with the rear seats folded. Practical and luxurious, rare combo. Now let's talk about what this thing actually does when you press the accelerator. Mercedes is offering the 2027 GLC EV in two powertrain configurations, and both are genuinely impressive. The base GLC 300 Plus runs a single rear-mounted electric motor producing 369 horsepower, 0 to 60 miles per hour in 5.9 seconds. That's not slow by any stretch, that's quicker than most V6 SUVs on the market today. But if you want the full experience, step up to the GLC 404 Matic dual motors, all-wheel drive, and a combined 483 horsepower with 590 pound-feet of torque. 0 to 60 in an estimated 4 seconds. In an SUV, let that sink in. Both models share the same 94 kWh lithium-ion battery pack. The GLC 404 Matic is EP-rated for around 380 miles of range, which puts it firmly ahead of competitors like the BMW iX3, and within striking distance of Tesla's best numbers in this segment. The optional AIRMATIC airspring suspension absorbs road imperfections effortlessly. And yes, there's even a terrain mode for drivers who want to take this luxury SUV off the beaten path. This powertrain combination, smooth, refined, but genuinely fast when you need it, is exactly what you'd expect from Mercedes, and it delivers. Range is one thing, but what about charging, and how does this work in the real world for daily drivers in the US, Canada, and Europe? Here's where the 2027 GLC EV makes a strong case for itself. DC fast charging support maxes out at an impressive 330 kilowatts. To put that in perspective, a 10 to 80% charge at a Hyper station like a Tesla supercharger with the adapter or Electrify America station takes roughly 20-25 minutes. That's a coffee break. You're not sitting in a parking lot for an hour. For home charging, the onboard AC charger supports up to 22 kW, meaning an overnight level 2 home charger will give you a full charge in about 5 hours. For most daily drivers, you'll start every morning at 100%. The MBUX navigation system integrates route planning with charging stops, automatically factoring in real-time station availability, weather, and your driving style. No manual planning required. For families, the cabin comfortably seats 5 adults, with generous rear legroom. The 61.4 cubic feet of cargo space means groceries, luggage, and sports equipment all fit without negotiation. Towing. The GLC EV handles up to 4,400 pounds, enough for a small boat or lightweight camper. For a compact luxury EV, that's genuinely useful capability. Real-world practicality, this car passes the test. So how much does all of this cost, and is it worth it? The 2027 Mercedes-Benz GLC EV starts at approximately $60,000 MSRP for the base GLC 300 Plus in the US. The dual-motor GLC 404 Matic steps up to around $72,000, and when you option it with the exclusive trim, Hyperscreen, panoramic roof with controllable opacity, and AIRMATIC suspension, expect to approach $80,000 to $85,000 fully loaded. That puts it in direct competition with the Porsche Macan Electric from $82,650, BMW iX3 from $60,000, and Cadillac Optic from $52,695. Car and Driver ranked it 4 in Best Electric Compact Luxury SUVs, a strong debut for a first-year model. For long-term value, the MBUX software platform means this car receives over-the-air updates, improving features and performance after purchase. Your car in 2029 will be better than your car in 2027. That's a real differentiator. European buyers benefit from Mercedes' established charging network. Canadian buyers should note the federal EV incentive may apply at the $60,000 base price. US buyers, check your state-level credits too. Residual values on luxury Mercedes EVs have been historically strong. The combination of brand prestige, cutting-edge tech, and real-world range makes this a smart long-term asset, not just a statement purchase. So here's the final verdict on the 2027 Mercedes-Benz GLC EV. If you've been waiting for a luxury electric SUV that doesn't ask you to compromise on style, comfort, range, or performance, this is it. Mercedes took everything that made the original GLC great and electrified it properly. The 39.1-inch Hyperscreen is genuinely futuristic. The 380-mile range is class competitive. The 330 kW charging is among the fastest available. The 483 horsepower AWD version will genuinely put a smile on your face. And the vegan package, nobody saw that coming, but it's a bold, thoughtful move. Is it perfect? A $60K starting price isn't for everyone, and the Big Myth grille will spark debate in every comment section. But for buyers cross-shopping luxury EVs in 2027, the GLC EV has absolutely earned a spot on your shortlist. If you found this useful, drop a like, it helps the channel more than you know. And if you're seriously considering a luxury EV, subscribe. We've got comparisons, owner reviews, and deep dives coming every week. See you in the next one.